Claude AI usage limit, 3 ways to fix. So if you want to go ahead and fix your Claude AI limit being hit so quick, this is how you can work your way around it in 3 simple ways. Now, the first and most basic way that people do this is they have multiple Claude accounts. So basically, if my usage runs out on one account, what I can simply do is I can log in to another account where I'm going to have more usage to go ahead with. Okay, so that's one way you can do this. Now, there are also multiple plethora of other ways. Now, of course, you can either go with the account switching way. That's one fix. The other fix is using Claude on your browser. Now, with Claude on your browser, the usage is used pretty deemingly. Like, the usage doesn't run out pretty quickly. But even if it does, now let's say I have this text over here. Now, here my usage ran out. Now, what I can do over here is, let's say I have this text over here and either the usage has ran out. What browser allows you to do is it can also rewrite the text. And what the usage does is it detects that, hey, okay, so, the user has asked me to rewrite it. On the browser, it actually does rewrite the same prompt, even if the usage is out. And that is the third way as well. So the first way would be to switch accounts. The second way would be to just use your browser generally. And the third way would be to reload your prompts, but inside of your browser, not in the app, because the app still doesn't give you that privilege. So that's about it. Those are the 3 ways you can work on your usage limit. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.